Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of all your crew, I'd like to welcome you to Paris Charles de Gaulle. Look, time just coming up to 20 minutes past 2 here in the afternoon. I must ask you to make sure that all your seat belts stay securely fastened. Immediately the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt signs, and of course the aircraft has come to complete standstill at the terminal building. Do please be careful when opening any overhead lockers, just in case any hand luggage is dislodged and may fall out, which could hurt you or somebody sitting near you. Well, if it's just vacated to runways, you can now switch any portable mobile equipment back into your normal operations mode and use common port. Well, on behalf of all the crew, I'd like to wish you all a very good onward journey. I thank you once again for choosing the flag British Airways this afternoon.